Come students, today we are going to learn subject Science and Technology Part 2 of Standard Ninth, Lesson number 15, Life Processes in Living Organisms. Let's start learning with the topic Translocation in Plants. In plants, as the food is produced in the leaves by the process of photosynthesis, it must be transported to the other non-green parts of the plants, and this is done by the process of translocation. Translocation is the movement of materials from leaves to the other tissues throughout the plant. Photosynthesis produces glucose in the green parts of the plants, which are often leaves. This is then converted into sucrose. The sucrose is transported around the plants in the phloem vessels. It needs to be able to reach all the cells in the plants so that the sucrose can be converted back into glucose for respiration. The movement of sucrose and other substances like amino acids around a plant is called translocation. In general, this happens between where these substances are made and where they are used or stored. It is carried out in both the upward as well as downward direction by the phloem. This process needs energy to carry out, and such energy is obtained from ATP. When food materials like sucrose are transferred to phloem tissue using ATP, the concentration of water molecules decreases in that area, as you can see in the picture. This results in the movement of water into the cells due to osmosis. The increased contents within the cells exert a high amount of pressure on their walls. This pressure moves the food materials to the adjacent cells with low pressure. This allows the phloem to move material according the need of plants. This is how the translocation process occurs in the plants. Now we move ahead with the another life process, that is excretion. Excretion is the process by which metabolic waste substances are eliminated from an organism. Different harmful substances like urea, uric acid, ammonia, etc. are produced in living organisms. These substances must be removed out of the body, otherwise, if accumulated inside the body, then it can cause serious harm or even death also. There are different ways to remove excretory substances in different organisms. In multicellular organisms, excretion is a complex process as compared to unicellular organisms. So let's learn about excretion in plants. Unlike animals, plants do not have specialized excretory organs. Excess carbon dioxide, water vapor, and oxygen are excreted from the plants through the stomata in the leaves. Many plants store waste in the form of resins and gums. Plants also excrete some waste substances into the soil around them. Also, most of the waste of the plants is stored in the vacuoles of leaf cells and flowers, fruits, and the bark of the stem, which fall off, are also the examples of excretory substances in the plants. The another example of excretory substance in plant is graphite, which is nothing but the crystals of calcium oxalate which are found in the elephant's food. So these all are the excretory substances which are produced by the plants. Thank you.